شورشیان سوریه نفت
واقعا جالبه. بیا بغل من. بیا قربونت برم. بیا بوس بده.
There had been a question really throughout the day, and I talked to Christopher Lawrence about this, whether or not this suspect, Shakar, was actually living on the UMass Dartmouth campus, or whether he was at this residence that was being searched throughout the day in Cambridge, and it doesn't seem like we really know that one way or the other.
No, we should be careful in the sense that this set's going to be taking it for question.
Right, that's it.
So they're going to retrace every set. As they look through every email, every cell phone conversation, every person that's lived in recent years, friends, family members, we're going to question everybody. And so now we wait to see from the FBI. New Bedford police saying they were taking it to questioning by the FBI.
Yeah.
See from the FBI whether they're persons of interest or whether they're just trying to get any information from them about where he's been in recent days, who he's been in communication with, any indication at all of threatening behavior, unusual behavior, investigation. The three people in a prior residence taking it for questioning, not all that surprising. The key question next is, are they expecting
We also do know that there are a number of family members. The mother, who's now in Dagestan with the father, the mother has lived here, and the father had lived here as well. There's also, I believe, two sisters, one of whom is married. I believe maybe are married. But again, we don't have the full details of the family dynamics at this point. So again, Susan Candiotti was just telling us. Again, Susan, I'm sorry, I was reading that email. I know you said it was sort of in a triangular area, but can you give a sense in blocks about how far away? That shootout early in the early morning hours. He is believed to be now. Do we know how far?
Less than that, but I'm not absolutely sure about that. That's why I keep directing you to. I think that Drew might know the answer. I just remember, late this afternoon, we were also told that so far they have no evidence of any accomplices, no evidence of it so far. But obviously, as part of the investigation, they certainly want to talk to whoever knows him, who hung out with him, friends of his, to see what information they could gather. Obviously, they're also trying to track down where he was.